Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special day because today I'm going to show you some new things that happened to my life recently, and one of the things is that I just moved to Gurgaon with my sister, and it's been about like 10 days staying here, living here, and it's been going wonderful. So today the agenda is to give you my room tour, and second, we just got a new camera, yay! And tomorrow I have to go out for a shoot, so I thought that the first video that I want to shoot from this camera is for She Walkin, and we are also sort of going to unbox it, although I've already unboxed it, so it's like actually open, but we're going to do it again. So this one is Sony ZV-E10L, so it comes with a lens, and it's a really nice camera for vlogging, podcast recordings, and it's just like so cute, guys. Oh my god. Also, we are starting the video while shooting from our DJI Osmo Pocket, but then we'll continue with shooting with this so that we also understand or like see the quality of this one. So this is our new baby. Hi, it's gorgeous, and look at this cute little belt that comes along with it. Also, you get the charger, and you get this cute little wind screen. I couldn't figure it out like how to put this, so yesterday I saw a video. So ideally you want to do it like this, but it is in this format. So that is us. Also, so before starting shooting with this one and giving you my room tour with this one, I also want to show you our new mic. Ta-da! So basically I am now working with my sister, and we're doing like podcast recordings for different clients and stuff. So we moved here so that we can set up our studio and take the business ahead. So we just got our first Rode mics, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Are you ready? It's a bomb, dude. It is massive. Like, there are some podcasters that I watch on YouTube, and I would always be like super fascinated looking at this beautiful guy. And now, here we are. Ta-da! It's gorgeous, no? Can't wait for the stand to arrive so we can shoot something and see how it goes. Okay. So this is where we stop shooting from our DJI Osmo Pocket, which we love, absolutely love, and we start shooting from our Sony ZV-E10. And our first video to go out from this camera should be for us, for She Walkin. In India, in Hinduism, like whenever we start anything new, or even in puja, the rituals that we do, the first god that we pray to is Ganesh Bhagwan. तो ऐसा कहा जाता है कि किसी चीज़ का श्री गणेश करो. So Shri Ganesh is equals to like starting something, sort of. So we are going to do Shri Ganesh of our Sony with She Walkin. Okay, shall we? I'm also sort of getting emotional thinking about DJI, because it feels like now I have another one to take care of. So it's like kind of emotional, but it's okay. Like, this is also my best friend. 1 second. So when you turn it on, it tells you to set the date and time, but we're gonna not do that at this moment. And we begin. So I'm still like figuring out how this thing works. Okay, we pause this one. Take off the mic. Okay, so let me. Hi. The light is a bit low, no? Okay, so I'm gonna take you out with me. I'll give you a bit of a home tour as well. Or I'll do it later. Let's just make it about the room. Check them out. Hi, Stonu. Hi, Lulu. Good morning. Chalo, bye. Hi, Chingu. Bye bye. Okay, so we begin. So this is me. Very blurry. Ah. This is my workstation that I have set up. Because I needed, like, I always need a bigger table to like keep all my stuff. I have to have my book, to have my amp, my important pictures. We have Mummy Papa, we have white horses, we have Gara, and we have Neem Karoli Baba, and also a plant. Lip balm is also very important. And a few pics. This is a sunset lamp. I will, like, if you like this video, I will do like a night tour as well where I can show you my cool lamps. This chair is super cool. It goes all the way down and it also comes out. I can't do it with my one hand right now. And then we have a bookshelf, a guitar. Here we are yet to have like another cupboard sort of, which will arrive today. Do you want to see my bathroom also? Hey! A quick tour. So finally we have a bathtub. Yay! But so I shifted here maybe, I don't know, 10 days ago, and we have been having so many things going on: carpenter, painter, electricity, plumber, etc, etc, etc. And only yesterday we felt like, okay, now things have settled a little bit. And then we have this accent chair to just chill. So like if you're not feeling like work, which this chair feels like, you can just sit here and chill. Then we have this beautiful window right here. This is a school called Lotus Valley. Also, one second, turn it around. So this is Gurgaon, Sector 50, and this society is called the Close North. And it's a really cool society, guys. Like there's a gym, there's steam, sauna, cricket ground, basketball ground, and whatnot. A lot of things are there. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. I forgot the main point why I started sharing that information. Moving on. This is our bed. That's our side table. It's a bit messy. Then these are our guitar and ukulele. That's a really nice lamp. Again, if we do an evening tour, I'll show you how it looks. And then this is my balcony view. We have Tulsi Mata, and that is us. I'll show you from different angle. And it's really cool to have this wooden flooring also. It's pretty gorgeous. So yeah, this is how we look. And so basically I'm testing, because tomorrow we have to go for work, right? So I'm just testing how this camera is going to be playing out in different lighting. So here it's all right. My hand. See, now with the left hand it's going much further. I have used other cameras as well, but I've only had my DJI for the longest time, for the past 5 years. So it's kind of different and fun to use this camera. And I think that is it. uh, we'll do another house tour when the house is ready, so I'll show you all the rooms and the studio that we are planning to set up, etc. And let's see how this camera plays out and our Shri Ganesh of this camera before anything else. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.